How to merge mail in Gmail? Step 1. Log into your Gmail account using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Click Compose. Create a draft email you will be using for mail merge. Click here. Note: subject fields are what you are going to be replaced in the emails from the Google Sheets. Go to second step to start the process. Step 3. Click Make a copy. Change subject fields that you are going to replace on Google Sheets. Step 4. Click Continue. Step 5. Click Allow to grant access. Step 6. Click Mail Merge. Click Send Emails. Step 7. Enter in the subject title that you are using from the draft email. Click OK. Step 8. Here you can see that the email was sent.